Hello, my lovely little artists! Today, Bunda Suci is not just drawing. I'm playing and drawing at the same time. Can you guess what I'm drawing? Look, round face, pointy ears, swish swish tail. Yes, it's a cute kitty! Do you like drawing while playing too? It makes everything more fun, right? Come on, join me. Let's draw and imagine together. Now, let me tell you a story about this little kitty. This kitty's name is Mimi. Mimi is not just cute, she is also very kind. One day, Mimi saw a tiny bird who couldn't fly. The bird was scared and sad. Mimi didn't chase it. Oh, no, no, no. Instead, Mimi said, "Don't worry, I will help you." Mimi stayed with the bird, kept it warm, and even shared her yummy food. After a while, the bird felt better and could fly again. The bird said, "Thank you, Mimi. You are the kindest kitty ever." And Mimi just smiled and said, "Helping friends makes me happy." Oh, such a sweet kitty, right? Now tell me, do you want to draw Mimi with me? Let's keep drawing, playing, and listening to more fun stories together. Yay! Thank you so much for watching Bunda Suci's video, my lovely friends. Let's keep learning how to draw while playing, because drawing is super fun. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe, okay? So you won't miss my next exciting video. See you again soon. Bye-bye, little artists.